Hi, in this short video we will look on unboxing Apple Mac Mini with M1 specification 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD and 8 cores CPU and 8 cores GPU. So let's go on it. Now we look on details on sides and ports. So on front side or top side is only logo Apple. On bottom side is text Mac Mini and some logos. Left side is empty, right side is empty, and on front side is one LED LED with ER receiver. And on back side is from left power button, connector for AC adapter. In my model is 1 gigabit LAN port, but exists 10 gigabit version. Exhaust went from M1 chip, 2 USB-C with Thunderbolt 4, 1 HDMI, 2 USB-A and one headphone jack with microphone support. Very nice, simple design from good material, maybe aluminum. Yes, very nice and compact desktop PC. So this was short video with unboxing Mac Mini M1, and in some next video, bye.